Hello class 12 students, welcome to today's online class. In today's class we are going to understand and perform experiment number 1 of class 12, our practicals. First practical, experiment number 1, which is to determine the resistance of a given wire per centimeter by plotting a graph of potential difference versus current. Means in this experiment we have to calculate the resistance of a wire. We will take a resistance, we will take a wire and it will have some resistance. We'll take a wire of a given length, we'll calculate the length also. So what we'll do, we will calculate the length in centimeter. हम क्या करेंगे, 20 centimeter, we will take 20 centimeter wire, we will take 20 centimeter wire. If you can see, I don't think that, yes, 20 centimeter wire we will take, straight 20 centimeter wire and we will put it in our circuit and calculate the resistance of it. First of all, we'll calculate the resistance of this wire. With ammeter and voltmeter we will get some potential difference and current. By Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I. We'll calculate the total resistance. Then we will calculate resistance per centimeter. Means हर एक सेंटीमीटर में कितना रेजिस्टेंस है. So we will divide it by 20. Whatever resistance we'll get of this wire, we'll divide it by 20 centimeter. Then we'll get resistance per centimeter. We'll also draw a graph of it. So let us see the circuit diagram and how the circuit has to be arranged. What are the things which will be there? Let us see that. So here is the circuit diagram for this experiment, and you have already got that, you have already drawn that circuit diagram in which a battery is there, which is going to get connected to ammeter, then to the resistance for which we have to calculate the resistance. Across it in parallel voltmeter, then this will get connected to the rheostat, then again to the battery. In between it we will keep a key also, plug key, so that we can do the experiment according to ourselves. So let us start from the battery. So here we are having a battery eliminator which will work as a battery. It will provide current to the circuit. When we'll switch it on, then only it will work. Then as the circuit diagram is saying, battery positive terminal is going to get connected to the ammeter positive terminal. A लिखा है, ammeter है. So this is our ammeter. Positive terminal is getting connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter. Then negative terminal of the ammeter is going to get connected to the wire. That wire for which we have to calculate the resistance. So this is this wire. I have made an arrangement so that it can be properly done with the help of a plug key. So this wire is there of unknown resistance. We don't know the resistance of it right now. Ammeter's negative terminal connected to the one end of the wire and other end is connected there to the rheostat. Here we can see also this resistance is there and it is then connected to the rheostat. But this resistance, across it a voltmeter is also there. Same way we will do. This is our voltmeter, positive terminal, negative terminal, and across this resistance, across this unknown resistance, we have connected in parallel a voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected. Then this is our rheostat. This is a rheostat, variable resistance. We can slide it. ये इस तरीके से slide होगा और इसका resistance को हम कम ज़्यादा करेंगे. Why do we do that? To increase and decrease the current, because we have to take 5 reading also to increase and decrease the current. So this is our rheostat. Then in the diagram you can see rheostat is going to get connected to the negative terminal. So here we have connection of rheostat is gone to a plug key. This is kind of switch for us. We will switch it on and switch it off with the help of this switch off and switch on. Circuit can open and close with that, and then to the negative terminal of the battery eliminator. So this is our circuit diagram. According to circuit diagram, we have connected our circuit. This is our whole circuit, if you can see from here. Whole circuit, battery eliminator, ammeter, unknown resistance, in parallel voltmeter, rheostat, plug key, then negative terminal of the battery. This is how we have to arrange it. So now we are going to see how we can perform the experiment and what we have to do for calculation as well as observation. So our next part is observation table, means how we are going to do our practical. So first of all we have to know some data. हमें कुछ ना कुछ इसके पहले हमको जानना होगा. First of all, length of wire. How much length of wire we have taken? We have taken the length of wire to be 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is the length of wire. Range of ammeter. See, we can see in the ammeter how much is the range. If you can see it here, 5 ampere. It can calculate till 5 ampere. You can see 5 ampere. That's why range of ammeter 5 ampere. Range of voltmeter is also 5 volt. This is our voltmeter. 5 volt is the range. Why we are calculating the range? To know the least count. Least count कैसे calculate करते हैं? If you remember, ये है हमारा ammeter, ये है voltmeter. इसमें total number of division कितने हैं? तो देखने के लिए देखिए 0 से 1 तक कितने हैं? बीच में छोटे छोटे लकीर 10. तो 0 से लेके 5 तक कितने होंगे टोटल? 50. तो जितना इसका पूरा रेंज है और कितने नंबर ऑफ डिवीजन है, दोनों को डिवाइड करिए. सो इफ यू डिवाइड इट, यू विल गेट समथिंग. रेंज ऑफ ammeter is equal to 5 ampere is equal to 5 ampere and what else? यहाँ पे number of division, total number of division in ammeter कितने हैं? 50. इन दोनों को डिवाइड करते तो हमको लीस्ट काउंट मिल जाता है 5/50, यानी कि 1/10. It means 0.1 ampere. This is the least count, which means the least reading which can be taken from ammeter. Least reading, छोटी सी रीडिंग, मतलब ये एक लकीर जब आगे बढ़ेगा, एक डायल नेक्स्ट मार्क पे जब पहुंचेगा, एक छोटे से मार्क पे, तो 0.1 एम्पियर ये कैलकुलेट कर लेगा. और उसी के हेल्प से हम लोग ये कैलकुलेशन करने वाले हैं. So what we will do? First of all, least count of ammeter 0.1 ampere. In the same way, least count of voltmeter 5 volt. 5 वोल्ट तक ये कैलकुलेट कर सकता है, और 50 डिवीजन है तो 5/50 0.1 वोल्ट. 0.1 वोल्ट. देन जीरो एरर इन एमीटर. ये रहा एमीटर. अगर ये डायल, रेड डायल जो है, ये पीछे रहे या एकदम आगे रहे जब करंट नहीं फ्लो कर रहा उस समय, तो हम लोग इसमें जीरो एरर बोलेंगे. वोल्ट मीटर में भी देख लीजिए, अभी में भी जीरो में है, एमीटर भी, यानी कि इसमें कोई जीरो एरर नहीं है. इसीलिए जीरो एरर इन एमीटर जीरो है, अभी जीरो एरर इन वोल्ट मीटर जीरो है. अगर आपको कभी मिले कोई एरर तो यू कैन राइट इट दैट इतना मार्क आगे है या पीछे है. कभी कभी कुछ एमीटर एंड वोल्ट मीटर में कुछ खराबी रहती है, इसलिए. देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अवर रीडिंग, एमीटर रीडिंग, voltmeter reading. So we will calculate the reading from ammeter and voltmeter. We will note it down. Ammeter and voltmeter reading 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. Voltmeter reading 1 2 3 4 5. According to our rheostat setting, we will take 5 reading, once here, once here, once here, randomly. Then we will calculate the resistance in each reading. Then we will calculate the mean value of it. Let us do that. Let us perform this experiment. So let us do the experiment. Start that. This is our battery eliminator and this is our plug key. We will keep this plug key off right before, so that when the current will on circuit, when the current will go through that, it will not be going through the circuit. So let's switch it on. एंड देन वी हैव केप्ट द रियोस्टेट. अभी हमने रियोस्टेट को एक पोजीशन पे रखा हुआ है और जैसे ही ये प्लग की को हम इसमें इंसर्ट करेंगे, करंट फ्लो होगा सर्किट में, और देन वी विल सी द एमीटर रीडिंग एंड वोल्टमीटर रीडिंग. सो लेट अस कीप दिस plug key. See, there is some deviation in ammeter and there is some deviation in voltmeter. Let's note it down. If you can see right now, it is 1.5 ampere and it is 1.8 volt. 1.5 ampere ammeter reading, we will note it down. 1.5 ampere and voltmeter reading 1.8. 1.5 ampere and 1.8. This will be our ammeter and voltmeter reading. Remember to keep the plug key off, switch it off, so that heat will not generate, otherwise resistance will change in it. So now we will move the rheostat position a little bit. अब हमने थोड़ा सा rheostat के position को change किया. 5 reading we have to take. So again switch on the plug key, and again a deviation came in the ammeter which is approximate 0.8, and here it is 1 volt. 0.8 ammeter reading and 1 volt is 1 volt. 0.8 and 1 volt voltmeter reading. Again change the position of rheostat. Let us see once more. Let us switch it on. Deviation in ammeter approximate 0.6 and 0.8. 0.6 ammeter reading, 0.6 ammeter reading, 0.8 voltmeter reading. If you can see 0.6 ammeter reading, 0.8 voltmeter reading. 2 more readings to be taken. Rheostat की position फिर change करते हैं हम, थोड़ी सी और change किए. Switch it on. एमीटर में फिर से एक डिफ्लेक्शन. 0.4 एमीटर रीडिंग, 0.6 वोल्टमीटर रीडिंग. इफ यू कैन सी 0.6 वोल्टमीटर, 0.4 and 0.6. 0.4 and 0.6. If you can see 0.4 ammeter reading, 0.6 voltmeter reading. One more reading to be taken. रियोस्टेट की पोजीशन फिर चेंज किया हमने. रैंडम पोजीशन एनीथिंग. लेट्स स्विच इट ऑन. मोर डिफ्लेक्शन. 0.3 इन एमीटर एंड वोल्ट मीटर में 0.5. 0.3 and 0.5. 0.3 and 0.5. You can see 0.3 ammeter reading. Fifth one 0.5 voltmeter reading. 0.3, 0.5. So these are our ammeter and voltmeter reading. Means this is our value of I. This is our value of V. V upon I यहाँ कैलकुलेट करेंगे पहली रीडिंग के लिए. V upon I फिर कैलकुलेट करेंगे. Let us see this in the board. So let us see these things on the board. Length of wire 20 centimeter, range of ammeter 5 ampere, range of voltmeter 5 volt, least count of ammeter 0.1 volt, 1 ampere, least count of voltmeter 0.1 volt, zero error, zero ammeter में, voltmeter में भी 0. पहली रीडिंग हमारी आई थी 1.5 एम्पियर की एमीटर में और 1.8 वोल्टमीटर में. V अपॉन आई हम लेंगे. ये है हमारा V और ये है हमारा I. ठीक. V अपॉन आई करेंगे, यहां पे हमको मिलेगा 1.2. डिवाइड करके देखिएगा 1.2 मिलेगा. फिर उसके बाद हमारी रीडिंग आई थी 0.8 एमीटर में और 1 आई थी वोल्ट मीटर में. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे वी विल गेट 1.2 25 यानी कि 1/0.8 करेंगे, V upon I 1.25. Then after that we got ammeter reading 0.6 and then a voltmeter reading 0.8. Here we will get it, divide 0.8 upon 0.6, we will get it to be 1.33. See, it is increasing resistance, isn't it? टेम्परेचर के साथ 0.4 आई थी एमीटर रीडिंग और 0.6 आई थी वोल्ट मीटर रीडिंग, दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे V upon I, we will get 1.5. देन 0.3 आई थी फिफ्थ रीडिंग एमीटर की और 0.5 आई थी वोल्ट मीटर की, we will divide it, we will get 1.66. ये है सारी रेजिस्टेंसेस की वैल्यू, ठीक. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, मीन वैल्यू या एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस वी विल कैलकुलेट. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, Rm इज इक्वल टू 1.2 प्लस 1.25 प्लस 1.33 प्लस 1.5 प्लस 1.66 डिवाइड बाय 5. That's what we'll do. सारे को प्लस करेंगे, ऊपर प्लस डिवाइड बाय 5, we will get approximate, we are going to get, you will calculate also, see that how much you will be getting. You will get it to be 1.39 ohm. 1.39 ohm आपको मिलेगा 1.39 ohm. This is how much you will get. Divide it, add it and divide it. Then after that, this is the mean value of resistance, but what we have to calculate is, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था कि कैलकुलेट द रेजिस्टेंस पर सेंटीमीटर. कितना लेंथ है इस वायर का, 20 सेंटीमीटर, तो रेजिस्टेंस पर सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा इज इक्वल टू 1.39 अपॉन 20. So you will get it approximate 0.06869 something like that, which is going to be 0.07 ohm per centimeter. ये हमारा आंसर आएगा, that will be 0.07 ohm per centimeter. This will be our answer. Then we will calculate the graph. We'll draw a graph also. You can draw the graph. आपको समझ में आ सकता है ग्राफ लेना, और उसमें आप देखेंगे कि किस प्रकार से एक पॉइंट, पहला पॉइंट ये हो जाएगा, है ना. आप you take the scales like that way and draw a graph if you get the reading. So this is what your assignment will be. Draw the graph by yourself, okay, and see how this graph grows, how this graph follows, what will be this slope of it, कैसे जा रहा है ये. You will try to draw that on the graph. So this was our first experiment. You have already written the experiment. I'll take a pic of it, of the circuit diagram as well as of observation table and the reading. Calculate it from here also. Calculate it by yourself. This reading you already got. So this is it for experiment number 1. Complete it and report it. Thank you.